Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Children, we have learned till now 3 sounds. So what I am going to do today is we are going to do the revision of these 3 sounds. Okay? Now to do the revision, I will play a game with you. I will show you the action of the sound and you have to tell me which sound it is. Okay children? Let's begin. Children, tell me which action is this? The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. S, s. The snake is in the grass. Yes, children, it is the s sound. I will give you few examples of the s sound, like s for sandwich, s sandwich, s seahorse, s seahorse, s socks, s socks. Now children, the next action is ants on my arm, ants on my arm, ants on my arm, they are causing me alarm. Yes children, this is the action for the sound. Now I will say few words of sound. Arrow, axe, anchor, aeroplane, alligator. Now the next sound and the third sound is, the action goes when I play the tennis game, ta 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 ta. When I play the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Yes children, this is the action for the t sound. Now t for tomato, t tent, t tooth, t teacher, t tummy, t turtle, t triangle. Now children, these are the revisions done for the 3 sounds. Now parents, please do the revision at home with the help of this video and help your child to learn the sounds. Thank you.